dictation will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nation building is a continuous and dynamic process that involves strengthening political institutions, fostering social harmony, promoting economic development, and nurturing a shared sense of identity among citizens. Among the various systems of governance, democracy has emerged as the most effective mechanism for achieving these goals, primarily because it is rooted in principles of participation, accountability, inclusiveness, and respect for diversity. The role of democracy in nation building is profound, as it not only determines how power is distributed and exercised but also how people collectively shape their present and future. One of the foremost contributions of democracy to nation building lies in its ability to ensure political stability through peaceful transfers of power. In a democratic system, leadership changes are determined through elections, enabling citizens to express their will without resorting to violence. This reduces the likelihood of conflict and helps maintain stability even in times of transition. Political stability, in turn, provides an environment where long-term policies can be formulated and implemented, contributing to the overall progress of the nation. Unlike authoritarian regimes, where dissent often leads to unrest, democracies offer space for multiple voices and perspectives, thereby channeling disagreements into constructive dialogue rather than destructive confrontation. Democracy thrives on citizen participation. It encourages people to engage in decision-making processes not only by voting but also through civic activities, community organizations, and public debate. This participatory approach fosters a sense of belonging and ownership among citizens, making them active stakeholders in the nation's development. When individuals feel that their opinions matter, they are more likely to contribute positively to social and economic progress. Participation also ensures that policies reflect the needs and aspirations of the population, reducing the gap between the rulers and the ruled. A vital role of democracy in nation building is its emphasis on inclusiveness and equality. In diverse societies marked by differences of religion, language, ethnicity, and culture, democracy provides a framework to accommodate these diversities without marginalizing any group. Through constitutional guarantees and institutional mechanisms, democratic systems protect fundamental rights such as freedom of speech, equality before law, and the right to practice one's culture or religion. This inclusiveness is critical in preventing alienation, ensuring national unity, and fostering social harmony. By safeguarding the rights of minorities and vulnerable groups, democracy helps create a sense of justice and fairness, which is indispensable for building a cohesive nation. Democracy plays a crucial role in ensuring accountability and transparency in governance. Elected representatives are answerable to the people, and mechanisms such as free press, independent judiciary, and parliamentary oversight help check misuse of power. Accountability minimizes corruption, improves efficiency in public service delivery, and ensures that policies are implemented for the welfare of citizens. Good governance, in turn, strengthens people's trust in institutions, which is the bedrock of nation building. Without accountability, nations risk falling prey to inefficiency, injustice, and disillusionment among the populace. Although economic growth is not exclusive to democracies, democratic governance creates a favorable environment for sustainable and inclusive development. By protecting property rights, ensuring rule of law, and promoting equality of opportunity, democracy fosters entrepreneurship, innovation, and investments. Moreover, democratic governments are more responsive to social demands such as education, healthcare, and welfare programs, which form the foundation of human capital development. Another significant role of democracy in nation building is its capacity to educate and nurture responsible citizens. Participation in democratic processes teaches people the values of tolerance, cooperation, compromise, and respect for differing opinions. It creates awareness of rights and duties, helping individuals understand that their freedom is linked with responsibility. This civic education is essential in sustaining democratic institutions and ensuring that citizens work collectively toward national progress. A nation cannot be built by institutions alone. It requires citizens who are conscious of their role in upholding democratic values. While democracy contributes immensely to nation building, it is not without challenges. Issues such as populism, corruption, social inequality, and divisive politics can undermine democratic ideals. In some cases, democracy may even appear slow in decision making compared to authoritarian systems. However, the strength of democracy lies in its self-correcting mechanisms. Free press, Independent institutions and civil society organizations act as watchdogs, pushing governments toward reform and improvement. For democracy to continue playing its role in nation building, it must be deepened through political literacy, strong institutions, and active civic engagement. Democracy is not merely a system of government. It is a way of life that embodies values of liberty, equality, fraternity, and justice. Its role in nation building is comprehensive, ensuring political stability, empowering citizens, protecting rights, promoting development, and nurturing social harmony. Though it faces challenges, democracy remains the most viable framework for building inclusive, prosperous, and cohesive nations. By enabling people to govern themselves and shape their destiny collectively, democracy provides the strongest foundation upon which a nation can be built and sustained for generations to come.